All right, let's begin with the hottest seat this election, and not in a good way, because it comes down to the X factor of this election, Jungle Raj, or the might of Bahubalis, in a constituency where the Chota Sarkar is facing off with the Dada there, Suraj Bhan versus a man who's arrested, Anant Kumar Singh, on a ticket by the JDU, and we've seen what has happened in the backdrop of that murder that took place, on whom the charge of murder is on Anant Kumar Singh. News break coming in on that. The seat of Mokama, big. All right, we're going to get down to that in a short while. Listen into.
ना मेडिकल कॉलेज थे, अंग्रेजों ने मेडिकल कॉलेज 2 बनाए थे, 2 सरदे कपूरी ठाकुर जी ने बनाए थे, और उसके बाद सब नीतीश कुमार जी ने बनाए। बिहार में 8000 किलोमीटर भी सड़क नहीं था। आज बिहार में 1.5 लाख किलोमीटर सड़क है। बिहार में बेसिक नीड जो बिजली है वो मात्र 17 लाख लोगों को था। आज 2 करोड़ 14 लाख लोगों को सीधा बिजली से जोड़ने का काम किया है मोदी जी की और नीतीश की सरकार। हम डेवलपमेंट पर बिहार की जनता से वोट चाहते हैं। बिहार में जो बदलाव हुए, एक्सप्रेसवे बने, रोड बने, और आज यदि बिहार में सारे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ठीक होने के बाद उद्योग लगने लगा, आज बिहार के जीडीपी में, जो लालू जी के राज में बिहार के जीडीपी में माइनस में इंडस्ट्री था, आज 23% हिस्सेदारी जीडीपी में इंडस्ट्री का है। इसलिए हम विकास के नाम पर वोट मांग रहे हैं। बिहार की जनता एक अच्छी सरकार नीतीश कुमार के नेतृत्व में और मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में।
हार जीत का मार्जिन कम रहता है बिहार में, अक्सर देखा गया है। वोटर टर्नआउट
बिहार में इस बार हमारी जो बहनें हैं, बिहार के नौजवान हैं, बिहार के भविष्य को जो बनाए रखना, जो निरंतर विकास हो रहा है, क्योंकि जो डेवलपमेंट और डिलीवर बिहार में एनडीए की सरकार ने किया है, उसी नाम पर हम जनता के बीच में जा रहे हैं। हम डिलीवरी वाले लोग हैं, दूसरे तरफ घोषणा करने वाले लोग। नहीं, देखिए, बिहार की समृद्धि के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। मैं तो ये 6ठी बार चुनाव लड़ने आया। मैं लगातार 6ठी बार चुनाव लड़ने आया। जनता का आशीर्वाद मिलेगा, सदन पहुंचूंगा और नई सरकार बनाऊंगा।
लेकिन सर, राहुल जी ने जो कल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किया, जो सवाल उठाए वो चोरी को लेके, वो तो ये कह रहे हैं कि आफ्टर रिजल्ट हम देखिएगा बिहार में कुछ ऐसी तस्वीरें निकल करके आएंगी। जो
राहुल गांधी, इस देश में यदि लोकतंत्र खतरे में था तो उनके परिवार के चलते, लोकतंत्र खत्म हुआ तो उनके परिवार के चलते। ओबीसी वर्ग को यदि 40 वर्ष तक इंतजार करना पड़ा आरक्षण के लिए तो वो राहुल गांधी का परिवार। यदि स्वर्ण समाज को आरक्षण के लिए इंतजार करना पड़ा 70 वर्ष तो वो था राहुल गांधी का परिवार। देश में अराजकता था तो राहुल गांधी का परिवार। बिहार लूटा तो लालू जी का परिवार। तो ये साफ कर रहे हैं, बिहार में भी कर लेंगे कि वो जानते हैं, जैसे राहुल गांधी जैसा यदि विरोधी हो इस देश में तो मोदी जी को अगले 20 साल तक कोई नहीं रोक सकता है।
सम्राट जी, आपने कहा सदन पहुंचूंगा, सरकार बनाऊंगा, आप सीएम बनने वाले हैं क्या?
नीतीश कुमार जी हमारे मुखिया हैं और आगे भी रहेंगे।
All right, so this man hasn't had it easy where an election and campaigning is concerned. The Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Samrat Chaudhary, has been targeted constantly over the course of this election on his educational qualification, especially from someone like Prashant Kishore of the Jan Swaraj Party. He is on the BJP ticket from Tarapur constituency, a constituency that he hasn't fought from earlier, but is a stronghold of his family. I want to cut across right now to Gaurav Sawant, who's joining us from Mokama to give us, a larger context on Gaurav. One of the X factors this election, Gaurav, with what I said earlier, would be Jungle Raj. There is a vote which, even though in the last 20 years hasn't witnessed the Lalu Yadav era, but the fear of that still persists, where Jungle Raj is a question. However, the Mahagathbandhan would want to turn it around, Gaurav, and suggest Jungle Raj is now in the Nitish government as well. Let's look at what happened in the constituency where you are. where the key candidate right now behind bars on a murder charge that took place in the heat of campaigning of first phase.
Oh, you're absolutely right. So Jungle Raj does remain an issue, and predominantly, if you look at the age profile of the voters behind me, women and women voters in larger numbers, these are the voters who've actually seen the Jungle Raj. It's the Yuva, perhaps the first-time voters or those who are just coming in, who haven't seen that Jungle Raj, but then their parents talk about the Jungle Raj. The women that I've spoken to here, some that you'll be listening to in a while from now, they insist that they are voting on the issue of safety, security and development in an area where I'm standing, which is predominantly seen as Surajbhan Yadav's stronghold. But, be that as it may, one pocket or one polling booth here and there may not give the bigger picture. But overall, when you look at the picture, the women who were given, the young girls who were given cycle by Nitish Kumar in 2007 are the ones who are Jivika Didis or benefiting from that. Now, the women voters here seem to say that, look, they have been able to move forward. You've spoken to a number of those women who said that the 10,000 rupees that they got, how they were able to use it to not as bribe as some would argue, according to some of them, but perhaps to take, start something. Chai ki dukaan laga li, ek bakri le li, or loan lekar usse gaay kharid li, kuch kiya. Because here agriculture is very, very important in this part. So you're absolutely right. In the land of Bahubalis, Jungle Raj fears are there. The younger voters, the youth especially, they want to talk about jobs, and they are quite well taken in, they want to give, at least some of them I spoke to, want to give Tejasvi Yadav a chance, because they are saying Tejasvi Yadav is talking about getting us more jobs. When you travel across Mukama and in this belt, you'll see very good infrastructure. The roads are excellent. Electricity is very good. However, you don't see those industries. You don't see money coming in. So even well-educated youngsters are working outside and not getting the kind of salaries they want. So they want to come back home and work here. Anybody who gets a sarkari job, nokri, any sarkari job, nokri, is very excited about it. But any nokri is what they're looking for, Preeti.
All right, any nokri is what they're looking for, is what Gaurav Sawant is saying, and it's very interesting, viewers, to juxtapose where Gaurav is standing, and like he pointed out, where you talk about Jungle Raj, where you talk about women's security, where you talk about being safe in your state. This is a constituency where the might of two Bahubalis is going to be tested. So look at the irony there. I want to now cut across to Rohit Singh, my colleague who's joining us from Bakhtiarpur. He's our bureau chief for where Bihar is concerned. Rohit, before we micro into your constituency where you're standing and reporting, the macro picture, Rohit. First phase, so important for the Mahagathbandhan. Last time around, they had the upper hand on these 121 seats that have gone into vote. 65 was won by the Mahagathbandhan, only 56 by the NDA. Crucial for the Mahagathbandhan to do well in this election if they want a fighting chance come the 14th of November.
Well, absolutely. These elections very, very crucial both for the NDA and Mahagathbandhan, and especially the phase one, where in the last assembly elections, the Mahagathbandhan had an edge over NDA. And this time around also very interesting to see which side the voters are going to vote, because there have been a lot of issues that have come up in the last month or so, and Jungle Raj versus Sushashan dominating the proceedings here as in the last few days of campaigning that we saw, where we saw Nitish Kumar really pitching out and hit the issue of Sushashan, the developmental work that he had carried out in the last 20 years. And on the other hand, Prime Minister Narendra Modi leading from the front on the issue of Jungle Raj, and how, in fact, reminding the people of the state that if voted to power Mahagathbandhan, then it would be a return of the Jungle Raj. But as I speak at this point of time, Preeti, from Bakhtiarpur, the CM, likely CM face I can say, because officially he hasn't been declared. Nitish Kumar is all set to arrive at a polling booth in Bakhtiarpur, and this is where he is all set to come in next 20 to 25 minutes to cast his vote, and this is his ancestral house is in Bakhtiarpur also, and this time around also he is travelling from Patna to Bakhtiarpur in rural part of Patna to cast his mandate, and in some time he will be reaching here, and after casting his mandate he will be moving to other places where the second phase of elections are scheduled to be held on 11th November. So campaigning continues for the second phase, and even as I speak, a lot of things have in fact promised by Tejasvi Yadav also, who is the challenger to Nitish Kumar, where he had promised that jobs will be provided to one person in each and every household of Bihar, about Jivika Didis, about the Ma Bahin Yojana, that he said that 2,500 rupees will be given to each and every woman in Bihar. How most of employment will be provided to the youth of Bihar, that has also been highlighted by Tejasvi Yadav. So this battle is now has got very, very murkier here. A lot of issues have been raised, and you can see here that the administration, the poll officials, the security personnel, all here in attendance at the Bakhtiarpur polling booth here, where Nitish Kumar will be arriving in a short while from now to cast his mandate. And remember, Nitish Kumar, there has been a lot of flip-flops on whether Nitish Kumar will be becoming the chief minister in case Mahagathbandhan NDA wins or not. We saw that how Amit Shah made a flip-flop, did not give a direct answer a few days back about whether Nitish Kumar.
All right, okay, so Rohit at Bakhtiarpur, this is the polling booth where the incumbent Chief Minister Nitish Kumar will come down and cast his vote. Any time now, all eyes on that polling booth. Nitish Kumar was campaigning earlier, will come down to cast his vote and once again go on to campaign for the second phase of polling. Well, if Nitish Kumar is doing that, the Mahagathbandhan also right now, in the heat and dust of trying to campaign where the second phase of election is concerned. Tejasvi is holding 20 sabhas today. The Congress much lesser. But joining me from Saran is Maushmi, because Priyanka Gandhi would be holding a couple of rallies in the Saran district. Saran, very, very important, Maushmi, for the Mahagathbandhan. The entire district has 10 constituencies in it. The last time around, the arithmetic math.
लोकतंत्र में जनता मालिक होता है, और जनता के साथ अगर किसी तरीके से वोट कोई मल्टीप्लाई करे तो इसके लिए कहीं ना कहीं सही नहीं है। और इससे पूर्व में देखा गया है कि टारगेट करके वोट को काटा गया, जो लोग जीवित था उनका वोट काटा गया, लोग परेशान हुए। उसके लिए हम लोगों ने जनता को आगाह किया। बहुत सारे जनता फॉर्म 6 के जरिए अपना वोटर बना पाएँ, और बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं कि आज भी बहुत मत से वंचित है। तो ऐसे जगह पे उन जनता को डिसीजन लेना है कि उनके साथ सही हुआ या गलत हुआ, और ये अभी चुनाव के समय में उसका जवाब देना चाहिए।
हर घर नौकरी का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है?
हर घर नौकरी मतलब हमारी सरकार बनेगी तो हमने बहुत सारा ऐसा संकल्प लिया, प्रण लिया कि हमारे सरकार बनने के बाद हम करेंगे। जैसे हम 500 रुपये में गैस सिलेंडर हम देंगे, माता बहन के खाता में 2500 रुपये महीना देंगे, और 1 साल का पैसा एक साथ में 14 जनवरी को 30,000 रुपया पूरे बिहार में माता बहन को हम लोग देने का काम करेंगे। उसी तरीके से 200 यूनिट बिजली फ्री करेंगे, बुजुर्ग को 1500 रुपये पेंशन करेंगे। उसी में है कि हर घर में नौकरी हम लोगों को देना है। तो ये हमारे संकल्प है। आने वाले समय में हमारी सरकार बनेगा तो बिहार में हर घर में नौकरी हम लोग सुनिश्चित करेंगे।